Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have another song here from Taylor Swift, her version. This one is called Nothing New. So we like to cover Taylor's songs here. They're very playable, and yeah, that's great. So let's start with this one, and we don't need any capo for this. We will go through different chords here first. So let's start here with the C here, and that is third on the A string, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So that's C. Then we have A minor, so open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next is E minor, so open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. F, so you bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have G, so third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is a G as well, but with a B in the bass only, so that sounds like that. So you have second here on the A string, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And those are the chords, 6 chords. So before we look at any chord progression here, we will look at the strumming that we need for this song. Okay, so we're going to divide it into 2 different parts. I want to play the full strumming for you, and then I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's take a C here, that's the first chord, to illustrate this strumming here. And it sounds like this. Alright, so the first part is down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up. That's the first part. And now the second part, you just continue this up, down, up, down, up. You do that for 2 times. So part 2. Up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So we have divided this strumming into 2 parts, since we need sometimes to play only part 1 and separate this from the part 2 here. So that's the reason. So now we can start with the verse. You're going to play 1 full strumming pattern of C. So, and the A minor comes next, 1 full. Then comes E minor, part 1. Then F, part 1. And then G, part 1 plus 1 down. So down, down, up, down, up, and down. And there's a small pause there. And then you go for another chord progression round. That was 1. So you go for the next one. Same, C, full. And then A minor, full. Then E minor, part 1. F, part 1. And on this G here, you're gonna play 2 part 1s right after each other. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? And then we have this kind of small pre-chorus. It starts with Lord, what will become of me? So I believe that is a pre-chorus here. It's yeah, because we went through 2 rounds of one chord progression, and we have 2 more chords left before the chorus here. So on Lord, what will become of me? So on me, you're gonna play F, 2 part 1s, down, down, up, and 2 part 1s of G. Yeah, so that was the first verse, and I believe we also have this pre-chorus that I talked about here, the F and the G, part 1 for each chord there. Now we are at the first chorus there. It starts, I have too much to drink tonight, so it starts with F part 1, G part 1, then we have C, and the G B chord, the A minor, and the G. Okay, so all these 4 chords, you're just gonna play down, down, up. So you can say just the first part of the part 1, you can say, the first half. So only down, down, up, like that, okay? So you're gonna play C, then G, B, A minor, and G, okay? So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. All right. So you can say that this was 1 chord progression here in the chorus. So let's repeat this. F, play part 1, G, part 1, then comes these 4 chords, C, G, B, A minor, and G, down, down, up. So together it sounds like this. F, G, C, G, B, A minor, G. And then you go over that again. So you do that in total for 3 rounds. So let's go. And when you come to the A minor on the 3rd round here, you're not just gonna play down, down, up. You're gonna play part 1. So, all right. So you skip the down, down, up on the A minor and G, and you stay with the A minor and play part 1 instead. Okay. And then comes F here, and we are in the lyrics, still in the chorus, and we'll use still. So on still, you're gonna play F part 1. And want me, you're just gonna switch to G and play just 1 down on me. And the final chord in the lyrics, when I'm nothing new, you switch to C and play 2 part 1s. Yeah, so that was the chorus there. Next comes the 2nd verse. It's pretty much the same. Just 1 difference there on the G there, or really not a difference there. We had this variation on the 1st verse the 2nd time we play this chord progression. So it will be C, A minor, E minor, G, F, sorry, and G part 1, and part 1 again. So the difference here was the last chord, the G here, you're gonna play 2 part 1s, okay? So that's that, and then you're gonna repeat this again. You're gonna play it for a 2nd time, this chord progression, so. And the G part 1 2 times again. Right, then comes this kind of small pre-chorus here with the F and G's in the lyrics, and someone else lights up the room. So on the room you play 2 part 1s of F, then you switch to G, and and there you're gonna play part 1 plus 1 down. All right, so that was the second verse plus the short little pre-chorus there. Then comes the second chorus. It's the same as the first one, and after this second chorus here comes a bridge part. Okay, so the bridge part starts in lyrics, I know someday I'm gonna meet her. Okay, so that is where we are now. So for this one, you're just gonna switch between F and the G. So you're gonna play for F. It will be down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, and you play 2 downs on G. Okay, so yeah. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, G, G, down, down, up. Like that. So on F, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, G, F, G, G, F, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, G, like that. Okay, so you're gonna do that for 3 rounds. Yeah, actually for 3 rounds exactly. And then after this 3 rounds, we are in the lyrics, I cry myself to sleep. So on sleep, you're gonna play part 1s for the following chords: C, A minor, E minor, and F. That will be kind of a chord progression here in the end of this bridge part. So part 1 for C, A minor, E minor, F, and you play that once again. So C, A minor, E minor, and F. And that was the bridge part. So just to repeat this bridge part here, you're gonna play 3 times of the F, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then you shift to G, down, 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 up. Like this, and then C, A minor, E minor, F, part 1 for each chord. You play that for 2 rounds, and that was the bridge part. Now next comes chorus. It will be played in the same way, I mean with the same chords there as the other chords we had in other choruses. So let's just check. Yeah, and you will have the F, the G, C, and A minor. So not really exactly the same chords. It will be this chord progression: F, G, C, A minor. You play that for 2 rounds, and for these 2 rounds you will only play 1 down for each chord. Okay, so only like this: F, G, C, and A minor. And again, 2 rounds. All right. So that was 2 rounds of these chords, and then you're gonna continue with the same way of playing like the other choruses there, the F, G, and then comes C, A minor, and this, you know this by now. Okay, so you're gonna do that for 2 rounds, and after that you're just gonna end with the last chord, which will be a G, and this one will just end with 1 down. And that was the final chorus, and pretty much how this song ends. So if you enjoyed this one, guys, please let me know. Nothing New by Taylor Swift here and her version. So good luck with this one, and see you soon. And don't forget, guys, play tuned.